Good morning, my dear students. I am S.K. Tiwari from Sunbeam Convent School. For the explanation of lesson 2 from history, and the heading of this lesson is Europeans' power in India. Under this lesson, I want to explain you for the success of the British and failure of French. There were a number of reasons due to which English got success against French, and they could be able to establish their ruling system here in India. First reason is this: the British had better settlements at Bombay, present Mumbai, Calcutta, present Kolkata, and Madras, present Chennai, while French had not better settlements. Their settlements were Mahe, Chandarnagar, and Pondicherry. These settlements were not so better with the comparison of British settlements. The settlements of French were also not so better on the commercial and military points of views. And second reason, the English companies were in better financial position in comparison with French company. The third reason for the success of British was this, that British had full control over sea routes. Its sea power was superior to that of France. Fourth reason, the success of British trading system in India was this, that the English company had got full support from their government, while French company didn't get the support from their government. And fifth and last reason, the Prime Minister of England, he was Pitt's. Pitt's policy contributed much to the British to establish their power in India, and due to this, the British traders could be able to establish their trading system here, and due to the above reasons, the British could also be able to establish their ruling system here gradually, slowly, similarly, and in the course of time they became the real ruler of our country. And that's all for today. Goodbye.